gentlemen, this is Norm from GoTestDrive.ca. Let me show you 2015 Ram 1500 Longhorn Edition. So it's just a quick preview. I will make a full review a little bit later. So this is 2015. That's a Laramie Longhorn diesel, 3-liter diesel. You see all the cool LED lights. Let me just grab the key so you can see how it pops up and show you. You see cool LED, parking sensors in the front, 20-inch wheels. This is a crew cab with a 6.4 box. So that's a special order. That's a sold unit factory order for the customer. For the inventory, we're going to start to get a little bit later. You see all the LED lights in the back. This one also has a parking sensors in the back. Sprain liner built-in rear window, and looks like this one has also rear defroster for the window. Dual exhaust hitch. You can tow up to 10,000 pounds with a 3-liter diesel. And this one is 8-speed automatic transmission. So this is a full crew cab, and you see this is a dark brown with a laser stitching interior. So lots of room in the back. And Longhorn comes standard with the rubber mats. So, and it's a nice quality rubber mats. There's storage in the back. There's a foldable console, right? Power sliding window. There's a buttons up front over there. I'll show you a little bit later. So this is how it's looking in the back. Let me just quickly jump inside. And you can see there's no difference between 14 and 15 so far as I see. And it's the first time when I see 15 in a Longhorn edition in my experience. Heated seats in the back. So this is, you see the cool style of the Longhorn. Limited comes similar, but a little bit different interior. This is more like a cowboy style, right? So let's see inside. So this is not tow mirrors, that's the regular mirrors. And they get the lights and they're chrome, right? And you can get also tow mirrors. So proximity key, when you put the hand inside, it will unlock. And when you push the button, you can lock your truck, right? And this is when you put the seats on locks. So memory seats, and there's the buttons. And also you can do the memory by key fob. As soon as you come to your truck, the vehicle knows who's the owner, right? And who's gonna drive, right? And all adjustable 12 position seat. And this is a ventilated and a heated seat. You see there's like a small holes. So the cool air in summertime will go through and make it nice and cool. Adjustable pedals, all the lights, everything is automatic. And there's your power flipping mirrors. When you push them, they will go inside. But yeah, you see it right now adjusting. But let me just hit the button. Here we go. And you see it goes inside. Really cool. So power windows, power doors, power locks. Very nice truck. Let's get start. Push start button. Here we go. So super quiet for the diesel. Radio is up, nice. So brand new truck. You see wood steering wheel, and it's also heated. There's your Bluetooth for the phone control. There's your gear shifter. You can change your gears as a manual transmission. There's a cruise control. There's actual shift. There's a dial, right? Drive, neutral, reverse, and parking. 4x4 shifter. Also, you can shift on the fly. Nice. There's a gauges, which is completely customizable. You see there's a buttons to control them, and just scroll up and down. And you can see your tow packages, fuel economy, trip information. Every tire separate, you know, tire pressure and things like that. This is all real wood, soft touch materials with nice stitching. There's a logo for the Alpine sound system with a subwoofer in the back. Trailer brake controls, heated seats, ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, parking sensors front and back. You can disconnect, you know, in case if you have a trailer. Every time when you put reverse, if you leave the parking sensors on, it will drive you nuts. It's beeping, right? There's a trailer brake controls built in. You see cool central console, 2 storages in here. One also come with a USB, SD, auxiliary, everything, full media center. And there's a bigger storage underneath. Here we go. This one also has option like a CD player, which does not come anymore standard because a lot of people don't use CD players. In daily use, you can use this storage on the side. So, and this is a different. This is, yeah, that's totally different. I see them different background from the previous model. So AM, FM, satellite radio, 1 year for free. Media, you can stream your music by Bluetooth or play from CD or USB. Controls, you're all heated seats, ventilated seats, climate control. And it's a dual temperature control for driver, passenger separate. This one is also, let's see. This is a little bit different from previous. So this is, yeah, that's a Garmin navigation, one of the most popular in North America. And it's full North America, so it's completely customizable. And right now in the new trucks I see, this navigation also show you the traffic, so it's cool. Phone, Bluetooth, everything. There's a sunroof, control for garage doors. There's a power adjustable window in the back. There's your sunroof. Yeah, nice truck. Guys, any questions, give me a call. We start to get more and more trucks 2015, so my cell phone is 778-321-0453. My email is info@GoTestDrive.ca. My location, Langley Chrysler. It's a BC, Surrey. Address is 19418 Langley Bypass in Surrey.